Jesus. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I always find that these types of videos tickle my fancy a little bit more. To the right, we have Griots Garage, and these are called the PFM Crinkle glass. These are some pretty cool towels. I don't know if you've ever dealt with them before, but they've got a nice smooth side for buffing, and they've got this really nice, even though it's textured, but it's like a soft, but it's a very good side for cleaning. And so basically it's, you know, both. You clean it and you buff it off. A lot of products kind of like this, right? But then I go to this thing. I was on Amazon, and you know, as I do, sometimes you just fall down into a weird tunnel, right? So somehow I ended up finding my way into this little beautiful spot. And I wanted to just see what the differences are going to be between these two towels, because to me what it looks like is that this is a deeper blue. It's got a tag that it's made in China. Okay, the stitching is a little bit different here. The Griots has the red stitching. This has more of a border, so there's that. Is it the same size? It looks like with the extra on the border that the other one might be a little bit bigger because of that border, right? And then on the inside, it's obviously pretty much the same thing. I would say material wise, this and this are pretty much, again, the same. This could possibly be the slightest bit thicker. Just a tiny bit thicker. But that's not the weird part, right? The weird part is that the Griots towels, there are 3 of them for $19.99. And then these over here, these are on Amazon. They're called the Viking glass microfiber. So I bought these as a 2-pack for $9.99. You can get a 4-pack for $18.99. Is it some kind of substantial savings? No. Is Griots making money on us? They're all making money on us, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Sometimes, you know, as in the case with what I've dealt with in my whole life, you just never know. You might actually like the knockoff better because of a color or something silly, something, you know, whatever the case may be, that just like tickles you a little bit differently. But what I'm going to do real quick is take one of my glass cleaners of choice, Unger. I love this one, and I'm gonna show you real quick. What I'm gonna do is spray a side window. I'm gonna rub it with this side, and I'm gonna buff it off with the other side, and then I'm gonna repeat on the next window, and we're gonna just see if there's some sort of difference. Now, are my windows dirty? Slightly. I mean, it's really hard. I do daily drive this car, but the glass isn't that dirty. So being able to do videos like this is extremely hard. I don't really have a dirty car. Now my wheels, that's a horse of a different color. So we're just gonna spray this. We're gonna give it 3 full squirty squirts so that we're doing the same thing. We're gonna take this. We're just gonna see about flashing. As in my experience, I've pretty much never needed with this towel to go to this side. It's one of my favorites, but I will do it anyway, just because. I always do the box out. I know everybody's got their own little thing, but I've never really needed to do anything other than this side, really. It's got absorbency, it wipes it off. I've had streak-free success with this towel all the time. It's why it's still one of my go-tos. That and my Klin microfiber towels, for some reason, you know, quality prevails, okay? So I'm going to switch to this window right here. Again, we're going to do some hefty sprays. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Nothing crazy. We're keeping it fair. This is about as testy McTesterson as I'm gonna get. And this is right out of the packaging. And we're gonna see if there's some kind of difference. It's like a mirror. It's pretty cool. You know, I have to be obviously transparent, and I'm always rooting for the name brand companies. I've had a lot of great success with Griots, okay? I really do think that they have some pretty good products. Do they have everything good? Absolutely not. I don't think any company has a 100% fully perfect or what I would even consider a fully complete brand, but what I did notice when I sprayed and when I was wiping is it almost felt, I don't know, like I felt like it wasn't picking up as good. That's why I want to give it a second go. So what's weird, I don't know if this is translating here. Yeah, look, see that? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe that haze off. And I'm curious, does that haze happen just because of that towel or for some other reason? Because I didn't have that haze on the other one. So I didn't have that haze on the other window, so what we're gonna do is do our little 3-piece here. We're going right back to the same towel we used before because we did 2 windows with the other one. Take, and we're gonna go. Now, I don't see that same haze. I don't even really need to flip this towel, but I'm not seeing that same haze. Let me try I'm gonna try this window here because this has probably got the higher chance of being dirty. But that haze was on there. 2 windows I saw it. So I'm gonna go through, box, go. So what this kind of shows me is that just because it looks the same and the pictures are similar and, you know, it's got a similar little design, there's a tweak, there's a little difference. For me personally, I would stay with the crinkle cut. I think especially for the fact that the price difference isn't astronomical, that is what would do it for me. I think, you know, if this was like a $10 price difference or something, I mean, not that anybody's really wanting to spend that much on glass cleaning towels, but if there was a huge price difference, maybe I would consider. But there's just something about these that just feel different. These feel maybe smoother. I don't know, but not that these don't work. I just feel like there would be a tiny bit more work in them, and I would rather stay with the brand that I know. And I'm always going to do these videos. Sometimes it's going to end up being the reverse outcome, but you always got to do these videos. Is it the same? No, it is not the same. In my opinion, I think the Griots is better. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one. Just because they add a little tag and a bigger border does not a better towel make. I love you guys.